Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to create a Facebook business page. To get started, go on to facebook.com/pages/create. You'll then be brought to this web page where you have 6 options to choose from to create your Facebook business page. Usually, you'll select local business or place. Next, fill in the details of your business page. And then next, what you want to do is follow the step-by-step guide, and this step, add a profile picture, or alternatively, you can skip this step for now. Next up, you can also add a cover photo, or you can also choose to do this afterwards. And hey, you're pretty much done. You've successfully created your Facebook business page. The next step is to customize it further so that it expresses your brand and what your business stands for. A few settings that you want to do first is to add on a profile picture or a cover page if you haven't just yet. And you'll want to customize a username for this page as quickly as possible before it can get taken over next time. And the final step is to add a short description so you can let your audience and your customer know what your business is about. This appears in your search results, and this enables you to communicate your message to your audience. And once you're done with all your settings, you can then have a fully customized Facebook page.